What's up nerds, my name is Abdul Nafe and welcome to my brand new Skillshare class in which we will learn how to make amazing realistic automotive renders inside of Unreal Engine 5. In this course, we're going to be learning how to import models inside of Unreal Engine 5, how to texture them, how to create a whole environment around the cars, and finally how to animate the camera and make a very good animation or a render. So this course is project based and we're going to be learning how to make 9 amazing realistic renders and animations. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the computer and I'm going to be showing you which animations and renders we're going to make. Right, so you're going to see that we have 9 renders and animation right here. The first one, I'm just going to play it. You're going to see that the first one is a very realistic studio animation of a Lamborghini. And I'm just going to let it play. You're going to see that it looks pretty realistic, and we have basically created a whole studio around this Lamborghini, a whole garage, and the textures and everything looks very realistic, and they're all done completely inside of Unreal Engine 5 using Lumen lighting setup, and obviously Megascan's assets, which are free to use with Unreal Engine 5. Yeah, so we're going to be animating the camera and doing everything inside of Unreal Engine 5. Anyway, so that's going to be the first animation. Let me just go ahead and close that out. The next render is going to be this hyper realistic render of a McLaren inside a city, basically, yeah, inside a street. So you can see again, this looks very realistic as well. We're going to be doing this completely inside of Unreal Engine 5. Anyway, so the third one is going to be this this render of a Lamborghini inside on a highway. You can see this looks pretty realistic as well. Moving on to the next render, you're going to see we have another Lamborghini, but this time I decided to do something a little different, and this time we are rendering it at night. And so with all of these renders, we have one or two main unique factors. So in this one, it seems to be the lighting, of course, it's night lighting. In this one, in the previous one, this was basically how to do overcast lighting, how to add mountains in the background. And yeah, in this one, we will learn how to do like direct sunlight lighting and how to use shadows and trees and stuff like that to make your scene look a lot more realistic. And yeah, so those are the renders. And another one, this is going to be another McLaren inside of a garage. So you're going to see this again looks very realistic. And in this one, we're going to be learning how to use windows to sort of light your whole scene. And basically this, the lighting in this is directly from the sun. However, it's coming in from the window. So yeah, that requires a lot of different techniques, which we're going to be learning in this course. Next up, we have this forest render. We're going to be rendering this McLaren inside of a forest. I think it looks pretty realistic as well. And yeah, we're going to be adding foliage using Megascan's assets. We're going to be adding the trees, the background, and then we're going to be adding some fog. And everything is going to be done completely inside of Unreal Engine 5. Next up, we have this Lamborghini Urus inside of a studio. Again, this studio is made out of marble, and we're going to be learning how to do indoor lighting, how to use basically emissive materials to sort of make your scene look a lot more realistic and stuff like that, right? So yeah, that's going to be that. And again, once again, we're going to be doing a sunset render of this Porsche in a forest, in like a grass field or something like that, right? So yeah, next up, we have this animation. This is a pretty different animation. I wanted to include this because a lot of these other cars were just simply using models to create a simple scenery. However, in this one, this is pretty different. In this one, we basically created a whole forest, and then we imported a model of. I'm just gonna stop right there. Yeah, we basically imported a model of an old car, and then we textured it, and then we added foliage on top of that. So yeah, all of that makes it look very realistic. So yeah, that's basically all you're gonna learn inside this course. This course is amazing for Unreal beginners if you want to take your Unreal Engine 5 rendering game to the next level. And yeah, that's basically it for this one, guys. I hope to see you in class. Thank you.